Guys, there's so much that's going on in the AI world right now. So just a few days ago, we saw the announcement of a new AI assistant called Clawdbot. But now, because of copyright stuff, Anthropic has asked them to change their name from Clawdbot to Moltbot. Right, so this is a big news. If you don't know about it, yeah, they've changed their name now. It's no longer Claudebot, but instead Modbot. So when you come here on the Claude.bot, you're going to see that even the name here there has changed. Now, what is this? This is an AI assistant, the AI that actually does things. It clears your inbox, sends emails, manages your calendar, checks you in for flights, or from WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat app you already use. And a lot of people are saying good things about it already. A lot of people are actually saying so many things about it, and they've tried it. It's doing so many powerful things for them. It's working and doing all of these different things. And if you want to get started with this, you want to install it on your computer, you can just simply copy this command and paste it in your terminal and press enter, and it's going to start installing. All you have to do is give it a few API keys and you'll have access to it completely running on your local machine. So it works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, all operating systems that are common. And what this does is it runs on your machine, right? On Mac, Windows, Linux, Anthropic, OpenAI, local models, private key by default. It just works with the almost all apps that you already use. So you can talk to it with the WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, or iMessage. It works in DMs and group chats. This is powerful. Also, it remembers you and becomes uniquely yours. Your preferences, your context, your AI. So this is also another thing that you should be comfortable with, because it will have access to your entire computer. It can browse the web, fill forms, and extract data from any site. Read, write files, run shell commands, execute scripts, full access, or sandboxed, your choice. It also works with the skills.